beings in a mob. What's a mob to a king? What's a king to a god? What's a god to a non-believer who don't believe in anything?
Mr. Lover, lover, now Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
You ain't got a crown, be watching and learning cause I show you how. Looking at me like you want my man. What the fuck?
Everything that kills me makes me feel alive.